Hi, John Rice of Berkshire Hathaway Home Services. 1265 138th in Wayland. This house is set on 10 acres. It's move-in ready. The house itself features a ton of updates. We've got a list of those right on our website you can check out. What you see behind me right now is actually a 3D tour that we have set up. You can take this tour anytime of the house itself. But we're not just selling the house here. In this case, you're looking at an entire farm, a functioning farm that you can walk right into and call your own. You can truly buy the farm in this case, right? When you think about it, this historic barn that's featured here, along with many other outbuildings, is the perfect setup. Right now, this farm actually houses several different types of animals, so they have set up, already functioning, many different pasture areas and corrals, so that if you've got a separate spot for goats or sheep or cattle or horses like they do now, it's all set up. There's a hen house. It is just a lot of fun to just come walk around and check out and enjoy. And if farming is truly one of your dreams, this is a house you want to reach out to us and check out. We'll talk to you soon.